Hi, welcome to CTM. Now, CTM is all about functionality and style. And today, I want to show you the Dune Bathroom Set. Come and look at this combo set. Now, this is our Dune Bath. It is a 1700 by 750. This bath is made from Perspex, which is great for retaining heat, and it has a 5-year warranty. Now let me talk about the toilet. What I love about this toilet is it has a 6-liter and a 3-liter flush, and this will save you 40,000 liters in the year. This toilet has a soft close lid which prevents slamming. So this toilet is locally made here in South Africa, and it's got a 10-year warranty behind it. So included are the toilet mechanisms that you will get within the toilet. So let's look now at the Basin and Pedestal. Come have a look. So what is great about this Pedestal, it covers the piping and the plumbing, and it sits flush against the wall. And if you look here, it's got a beautiful wide rim. Relaxing has never been easier with this beautiful Dune bathroom set. So thank you for shopping at CTM.